Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win, and white pawn is going forward in this direction and black pawn is going downward in this direction, right? So I said it's white to play and win, but white must find the only winning move, otherwise this is going to be just a draw. So go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. Here the problem is the a2 pawn, and it's going to be promoted if we didn't do anything, right? So with that idea we have to do something to not let black promote the pawn. So you may just stay on the diagonal, on the long dark square diagonal, but that doesn't do anything. Black will just make a new queen, and after takes, you are going to move this way to just win the game. But look at this, you are not just, you don't have enough moves to win black's pawn, and at the moment you black would just play here and black would just also play here, and you can't just possibly capture black's pawn without losing your own, right? So with that idea, this is going to be a draw if you just let black promote the pawn. But what do you do in this position? There is no idea, right? You may just, you can't push this, you just lose the only winning possibility. So the move is bishop to a1. So what does this move do? In this position black can't push the pawn, otherwise it's going to be a bad for black. We are going to just capture the pawn anyway. This is, we do have even in person, right? So with that idea black now can't push the pawn and black can't do a key move, right? So black has to capture the bishop, right? Black has no moves. So when the black captures, we are going to play king to c2. So what does this move do? Well, this move puts black in zugzwang, which means black is going to move the pawn in this position. But in this position black will just play push the pawn and tempt you to take the pawn, because if you take, it's going to be just a stalemate. Black can't make a move and this is a draw. For that reason you don't take this, you just push and promote your pawn. So that is the idea, but black has trick in this position. Black may just push the pawn 2 squares. Now you can't take in person because it's going to be just a draw. You push, black push, you push, black pushes and gives you check. So now you have to move the king somewhere. So what do you think the best move? If you'd like to pause again. Okay, welcome back. The move is to just take the pawn, and now yes, the king will just go out from the corner and the king is threatening to promote. Yeah, but we do promote first, and now the king, I mean black can't promote into a queen because queen to c2 is just checkmate. For that reason black can't promote this. Black may just promote to a knight, which is going to give us a check, but a knight versus a queen is easy win, and we are going to win this. So all of these are the idea. First we are going to sacrifice the bishop, and then black has no choice. Black may just push this pawn. Again, you don't take, you just push. Otherwise if you just take this, black would just capture the pawn, and when you just move, black will move and you may just get a queen, but this is going to be a draw because you can't force black to move out, or you can't get closer to the pawn. It's going to be just stalemate. Instead, in this position as well, you just push your pawn. So black pushes, you push, black pushes, you make a queen. And now when black pushes, you just going to just give this check, queen to c2. When black pushes, now attacking your bishop, you are going to just capture it, and black wouldn't have a time to just make a queen, right? So this is going to be a winning for you. If black plays this, you are going to give this check, and this is going to be winning for you. So this is the solution of the puzzle. If you found all of this, congratulations. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to see similar chess puzzle videos like this. Bye.